Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So today I choose freedom. So, freedom is the word na lagi nating inaasam at hinahanap. Freedom to speech, freedom to choose, freedom to express our feelings, freedom to know who really are we, and freedom to express to the people kung sino talaga tayo. So freedom is not just about having rules, it's about the power to choose and ready to face consequence of those choices. So for example, may freedom tayong gumawa ng ating sariling desisyon, may freedom tayong magbahagi ng ating ideas, may freedom tayong sumagot, may freedom tayong gumawa ng sariling paths natin. But that's normal. And freedom is our responsibility. Minsan, lagi natin inisip that freedoms is walang limit. Pero in reality, freedom has boundary. Kasi we live in the world with other people, our freedom should not harm others. Ang tunay na freedom ay marunong kang pumili at tama, pwede ang pinipili mo para sa sarili mo. So for me, freedom is very important because for me as a student, I don't have freedom. So I can't experience anything and I can't experience everything. Lalo na kapag magbahagi ng aking opinion sa aking pamilya sa tuwing nag-argument kami, which is I am right sometimes, but I can speak and I can give my opinion to them because wala akong karapatan sumagot kasi bata ako at silang mas nakakatanda. So I don't have freedom to speech and freedom to express my emotions. And one of these is I don't have freedom na gumala with my friends, gumala para maka-experience ng ng such things in the world. I don't have that because still for my parents, I am still a child. But yes, I'm already magta-20 na ako. So, I really, really need to have a freedom in my life. Even though magkaroon ako ng freedom sa sarili ko, I still have my limitations and I know how to use freedom in my daily lives. But yes, wala akong magawa because I can experience freedom in this age because I still respect my family. But yes, freedom is very important, lalo na sa ating life. Because very important na magkaroon tayo ng rights natin na magsalita at mag-express ng emotions natin at mag-express ng ating opinions to other people, to our family, to school, and to our friends. Thank you.